Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am very into this look. I wanted to do a little bit of a different spin on your classic Christmas day, Christmas party kind of makeup. I did a lot more of a pinky blush glow all over the face. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. If you guys want to see this makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. We're up and close and personal. Like before, I've already done my foundation, concealer, setting powder because it's the same situation. Nothing's changing up there. Also with my brows because it's just the Benefit Goof Proof. But I did actually change up the eyebrow gel. This is Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the shade MJ, which I feel like is actually a little bit too light. I wish I got a darker shade, but it will do. We're gonna do a really classic kind of eye look. So I'm gonna start off with a base. What is this called? A Pro Longwear Paint Pot. It's Base Study. That's what I meant. Bare Study. Oh my goodness. From MAC Cosmetics. I'm just going to use my finger and it has a really nice sheen to it. We're going to pop it all over our lid. We will set it with a powder shade, but this is just going to be really nice to act as a base. To set that in place, I'm going to use this little NARS shadow, which I haven't cracked open in a hot minute. It is Europa. I'm gonna pop that all over, and it's a very, very, very subtle sheer pink, but it just grabs onto that paint pot color beautifully. Like the sheen still comes through, you're not matting out anything, and it gives like a really pretty pink pop. For a crease color, I'm actually going to go into this palette from Sculpted by Amy Connolly. I'm going to use the bronzer color mixed with the darker matte brown eyeshadow color together and use it as our crease shade. I don't want to do a dark brown and I don't want to do a light brown, so mixing these creates the perfect shade. I'm going to keep this mostly at the outer corner of my eye and meet it at the outer lash line so it creates a little bit of a V shape.
To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year, something in store for us.
I'm also going to put this little color concoction on our lower lash line as well. Just being a little bit more light-handed with it because I don't want it to be too heavy underneath. I always feel like I look so weird before I have like my bronzer and blush on. We are going to go to a black liner. This is from Laneige. It is a black liner. Did I mention that? I think I did. I also have it in a maroon shade. Oh, these liners are so good. I feel like they're not really talked about, but if you like a felt tip sort of liner, then you're gonna love this one. Okay, I can't talk. We're gonna do it a little bit more dramatic, but really just keeping it at the outer corner. I don't want it to be my whole lash line because I just got my lashes refilled with lash extensions and I feel like it already creates a lot of darkness there, so I really just want it at the outer corner.
Feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't.
I'm happy with that. Step away from the eyeliner. You don't want to overdo it. I'm going to take this little MAC Vanilla pigment. It's a favorite, an absolute favorite of mine. And I don't know if I will ever finish it because you just need a little bit. I'm going to put this in the inner corner for a little pop. I'm going to use my pinky. It is super pigmented, as you can see. You can't do a classic holiday look without a little bit of something going on. I really want to go out for Christmas dinner, then you could pop like a little like gem there or a pearl. I think that would be really pretty. So going back to the Sculpted Full Face Edit palette, I'm going to take the bronzer right here, which is a really beautiful mid-tone bronzer shade. No shimmer in it. It's just a matte, but a soft matte. So it really emulates the texture of your skin, which I love. It's not too cool and it's not too warm. It would lean a little bit more to the warm side, but you can definitely still like contour with it.
It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey.
I'm gonna do a little soft nose contour because why not? Okay, for blush, I have two options here. The blush in here is super pretty. I actually might use it as a base blush, and then I have a really fun, bright red-orange blush because I want to go a little bit extra, and you guys know I love blush, so it's the perfect area to go. extra in. So for a base blush, and to kind of give a little bit more illumination to my cheeks, because any kind of cream product is really just gonna pull, you know, a glow, a nice little holiday glow. So this is gonna be our base, our background blush color, let's just say. So just follow like the contour and right onto the apples of your cheek. Feel free to skip this step and just move on to highlighter and then your lips if you want to, but you wanna go a little bit all out. It's a little bit extra this season. I feel like people are being a little bit more experimental with color and where you're putting it on your face. So I saw a girl in MAC have like her eyeshadow was such a pretty like pink red, and it like went into her highlight and into her blush. We're not gonna do that because I don't think I could master that as well, but this blush from NARS, oof, it's beautiful. It is fetishized. Yeah, that's it, fetishized. It's the Man Ray collection, so I don't know if it's available still, but it's like a really poppin' pink red, okay? Small amount, guys, very small amount. So I'm gonna pat it on the apples of my cheek and start to blend it up. Almost like right up into my temples as well, but very, very, very subtly. Again, I want to disclaim, this is not going to be for everyone. If you're a fan of color and playing around with a little bit of extra blush and makeup, why not? Why not give it a go?
Falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended.
Guys, I'm really into this. I'm feeling it. Again, not for everyone. Take it with a grain of salt, you guys. Last thing from this palette is this highlighter I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna lightly put it on the apples of my cheek.
To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store.
Let's move on to the bold red lip. I'm gonna use two NARS products, Dragon Red Lip Pencil, which is, I believe, Taylor Swift's favorite red. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then the lip liner I'm gonna use is Holy Red. I'm gonna use the lip pencil first and then just correct with the lip liner.
Walking around, you and me. The Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love.
This lip color, oh, this combination, because it's a pink red, it just goes with the rest of the vibe. Sorry, the sun is gonna cut in again, but I am here for this holiday look. Let me know if you liked it in the comments down below. Leave me some New Year's video recommendations also in the comments, because I'm gonna be filming a lot this New Year before baby number 2 comes, so I need all of your suggestions. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Hopefully I can get a New Year's look up for you, but if not, enjoy your New Year's, be safe, and I'll see you guys in 2020. Bye.